Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Looking to power up your electric vehicle with speed, reliability, and future-ready technology? Choosing the right EV charger in 2025 isn't just about convenience. It's about making a smart, energy-efficient investment that keeps your car ready for every journey. Whether you're a daily commuter, weekend road tripper, or tech enthusiast, the best EV chargers of 2025 offer lightning-fast charging, smart connectivity, and sleek, space-saving designs. In this guide, we'll reveal the top 5 EV chargers that deliver cutting-edge performance, unmatched durability, and the features EV owners truly need. Ready to supercharge your ride? Let's plug in. Number 1. 40-amp EV charger, Level 2 and 1. Upgrade your EV charging experience with the powerful and versatile 40-amp Level 2 and Level 1 portable EV charging station, the perfect solution for fast, reliable charging at home or on the go. With a robust 25-foot cable, 240-volt output, and a NEMA 1450 plug, this charger delivers lightning-fast charging speeds through the industry-standard SAE-J 1772 connector, and even comes ready for Tesla drivers with an included adapter. Whether you're charging indoors, outdoors, or using a standard household outlet with the NEMA 515 plug, this charger is built to handle it all. Compact, portable, and smartly designed, it's everything you need to stay fully charged, wherever the road takes you. Number 2. Autel MaxiCharger. Upgrade your EV charging experience with the Autel MaxiCharger Home Smart AI electric vehicle EV charger. The perfect blend of power, intelligence, and convenience. Engineered for modern electric vehicle owners, this 50-amp Level 2 charger delivers fast, efficient charging, whether you're at home or on the go. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it puts control right at your fingertips through a user-friendly app, while smart AI features optimize charging based on your schedule and electricity rates. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, its sleek, weather-resistant build includes an in-body holster and a 25-foot premium cable for maximum reach and flexibility. Make every charge smarter, faster, and easier. The Autel MaxiCharger is the upgrade your EV deserves. Number 3. EVIQO Level 2 EV Charger. Charge smarter and faster with the EVIQO Level 2 EV Charger Gen 2, delivering 40 amps of powerful, efficient charging. Compatible with all J772 EVs, it provides up to 38 miles of range per hour with a reliable NEMA 1450 plug. Enjoy flexible installation and reach with the 25-foot cable, ideal for any garage or driveway setup. Enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity lets you schedule, monitor, and optimize charging via a smart mobile app. Built tough for indoor or outdoor use, it's IP66 and NEMA 4 rated for weather resistance. Certified by UL, Energy Star, ETL, and FCC, safety and performance are guaranteed. The EVIQO Gen 2 is your dependable, future-ready EV. Number 4. Level 2 EV Charger. 10 to 40 amp with J1772 NEMA. Power up your EV with confidence using this versatile Level 2 EV charger. 10 to 40 amp, built for speed, safety, and convenience. With a rugged 8 AWG thick cable and 25 feet reach, it's perfect for both wall-mounted and portable use. Its NEMA 14250 plug and wide 100 to 240V compatibility ensure easy setup and fast charging at home or on the go. Smart Wi-Fi connectivity puts control in your hands with real-time monitoring and scheduling. Compatible with all J1772 standard EVs, it's ready to charge virtually any electric vehicle. Sleek in black and built to last, this charger combines power and portability like no other. Number 5. NEMA 1430. Level 2 EV Charger. Charge your EV anytime, anywhere with this NEMA 1430 Level 2 portable EV charger, delivering up to 24 amps at 240 volts. Featuring a 25-foot cable and adjustable current, 10 to 24 amps. It's ideal for flexible home or on-the-go charging. Equipped with a 4-prong dryer plug and J1772 compatibility, it's a smart, reliable choice for electric car owners.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.